How's it going, my friends? This is Ionacus. I'm here with my sister.
Hello.
And we're doing a comparison video. Would this be? Yeah, comparison video, because we've tried Summer Freeze. We've tried Firework. And the Zero Sugar Summer Freeze, which we're going to try for the first time. But we're also going to... We're going to compare the Firework and the regular Summer Freeze together and see which one tastes the best.
So do you want to do?
Try this one first.
No, stop it because I bought.
No, it's fine. Nobody cares. I've done it before. This smells like a bomb pop.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me when.
Stop.
And this is, again, the zero sugar one, which I didn't think, I thought I saw all that they weren't going to do a zero sugar one of these. But they did, and they are, so. Cheers.
Cheers.
That tastes like a bomb pop. But it's got that zero sugar taste to it, which is fine. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
So, what would you give it out of 1 out of 10?
4.
That's pretty low. I thought you said you liked it. And I'll give it a 10.
It wasn't really cold.
I don't know why, but it is like 90 plus. So, just 2 minutes of being out of the refrigerator, it's all getting warm pretty quickly. All right, I'm gonna do my Firework, and you already got one, so.
I thought you don't like doing mix.
It's fine. It's fine. No. Faygo Firework is a little stronger than smell, definitely. And it's available all year round. Very sugary, but it does really have that good bomb pop taste to it. Oh, you give that one a 10, don't you? Because you like that one. I'll give it a 9. It's very thick. It's very sugary.
Because you don't really like that one.
It's good. It's 43 grams of sugar plus an additional 43 grams of sugar.
A couple times I asked you if you want. Can't you to know you didn't like it?
No, I said no that I didn't want it. And here's the Summer Freeze, the regular one. Is that good? Mm-hmm. This has 72 grams of sugar with an additional 72 grams. That's a lot of sugar. This has twice as much sugar as the Faygo Firework. I don't know, I think they taste all the same. I mean, Firework is sweeter, but they both taste like bomb pops. All 3 of them taste like bomb pops.
Your tongue gonna be blue.
A little bit. Yeah, looks more purple.
Yeah. Not like a blue parking.
Oh. I give that one a 10. I like that a lot. Which one do you think tastes better, the Firework or the Summer Freeze? The Firework? So, Faygo Firework is the winner. Then which one?
Both.
Yeah, I say the zero sugar and the regular Summer Freezes are about the same. The zero sugar has that zero sugar soda taste to it, which, like I said, I like it. It's not for everybody. And artificial sweetening they use.
Boo.
You need to stop doing that. So definitely try them all out. If you like Bomb Pops, you want a nice cold drink. America. And it's July 5th as of right now.
Mm-hmm.
If you like either of these, if you like Mountain Dew, you like Faygo, give me a thumbs up down below. Like, share, subscribe, whack that bell for notifications, and just remember to try everything. You never know what you're going to like, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Later.